Hi, I'm Satyam Bhuya, a travel photographer passionate about capturing India's vibrant festival. In this video, I'll show you how I created Holi content for Instagram using Adobe Express. Fast, vibrant, and professional. Let's dive in. First of all, I started by uploading my favorite Holi shot into Adobe Express. These were high energy moments filled with color, joy, and emotion. I selected a ready-to-use Instagram post template under social post, perfect for creating eye-catching content quickly. Next, I used the background removal tool. With just one click, it instantly cleared away all distraction, allowing the colors and expression to take the center stage. This feature isn't just valuable for festival photography. It's a game changer for small business owners and digital sellers who want to create clean, focused visuals that are ideal for listing products on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and Instagram, for also showcasing on their website. Then I added text to match the energy of Holi. Bold fonts, vibrant colors, and fun effect that blended perfectly with the visuals. I use captions like Rango Ka Tihar to tell the story. With the color palette tool, I matched text and overlay colors to the exact shades in my photos, keeping everything cohesive and dynamic. With Adobe Express, I can resize the design for Instagram story in a single click. This made it easy to share my Holi post across all formats without reworking on the design again. And that's how I crafted Holi Instagram content using Adobe Express. It is simple, fast, and perfect for festival storytelling. Try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the caption. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.